I heard it all. Wash day? Wash day.
Found out that you bad for me. I found out that you had someone.
It's been a long time, but you know, we're not gonna focus on the past. It's a new year, it's a new day. You feel me? So we're just gonna keep it pushing. So I have not washed my hair since since last year. That was corny. I haven't washed my hair since Christmas, I think, and it is January 8th. So that's kind of disgusting. I've done like a co-wash in the shower. I haven't used any shampoo for a minute, actually, past Christmas. Last time I used shampoo was probably like the start of December. But yeah, so obviously my hair needs some TLC, so I'm going to do like a little reset. We're just gonna try to start the new year good. So you know, let's get started. Basically today I'm just gonna shampoo. I'm gonna try to do the Aphogee protein treatment, deep condition. I'm gonna blow my hair out and trim it, and then I'm gonna style it for work. But the style will not be in this video probably. I'm actually going to start with a pre-poo. I haven't done one in months. And if you watched my first wash day routine, I used to do them all the time. But now I tend to detangle and do everything in the shower at one time. But in my effort to conserve water, I'm gonna detangle outside of the shower. And it would also be easier to shampoo and detangle again inside the shower. So yeah. So I'm just gonna start with some water, and I'm going to be using this actual pre-poo. I have used it before last year, but not that much afterwards. But it was good from what I remember, so we're just gonna start with that. So recently I've been really lazy as far as like my hair. Like I still take care of it and everything. Still do like treatments and everything, but as far as like separating my hair, I tend not to do it that much unless it's in two sides like how it is right now. But I am going to separate it right now since I'm outside of the shower. I'm just going to go through with my hands a couple times, and then I'm going to go through my detangling brush. Just let you know, this is all the hair that came out with the brush. I'm going to show you the hair that came out with the finger detangling, but it's not that much. This is everything with the finger detangling. I'm just gonna do the other 4 sections. So I'm just going to, I don't know, maybe just twist this for right now. I need to invest in one of those like, the little spray bottles that continue spraying like after you squeeze it once. I don't know if everybody has it, but this side of my hair usually doesn't tangle as much as my left side. Probably not going to split the side up. I'm done with that. I'm going to head to the shower and shampoo. I'm going to continue to use this while I'm shampooing. Let's get started with the shampoo. Oh, no. I'll show you in the shower.
Alright, so I'm just here showing you all the shampoo that I use. It's Creme Nature Mango and Shea Butter shampoo. This is basically my all-time favorite shampoo. It's like a staple. So yeah, I always use it. It's very good. It's a very good shampoo. So yeah, I'm about to get into the shower. So first I'll start off by trying to rinse off the pre-poo fully out of my hair. Just to try to make sure I don't have any excess product. And then I add the shampoo, trying to go straight to my roots and then going all the way down, making sure that I scrub my roots with the finger beds of my fingers and not my actual nails. I then go in with the brush, and then I try to wash everything out with my detangling brush to make sure the shampoo goes all the way through. and to make sure I wash it out all the way. So I just shampooed twice this time because it's been a minute since I shampooed. I did everything twice, applying the shampoo, scrubbing with the brush, and then washing everything out. Guess the song that I'm singing. $5. I'm joking. I'm joking. $5. Whoever can guess it, but I'm joking. And the last thing I did was apply some more shampoo to my actual scalp, and then rinse everything out. And then I detangle one more time, and then I try to squeeze all the water out and put it into a tight bun so I can squeeze some more water out.
It's been about 15 minutes. I had to do some other stuff. I'm gonna take this out of the little bun that I put it in. I put a scrunchie on it too. I'm going to start with the Aphogee. This isn't a full tutorial. I have me trying it in another video that I will put somewhere. Towel blot dry. So I don't think it has to be bone dry. I'm gonna dry this a little bit more, section it, and then start applying it. If y'all see like white stuff flying around, I made a robe and some shorts, and a lot of the fabric is all over the place in my room. So yeah, I apologize about that. I got this shirt out the dirty hamper, so yeah. So it says to go through it with a comb. So I'm gonna detangle really quickly and then apply some of this with the comb. It looks like I'm starting a lawnmower a little bit. It's because of my sides are not the same length as the rest of my hair, so when I go down, it's like a dramatic difference down here. So yeah, I think last time I did this with a squeeze bottle or a spray bottle, but I have neither at my disposal right now, so dropping it in the hair we do. As I do this, I'm gonna separate my sides from the longest part of my hair just so I can make sure everything gets covered. Definitely want to apply a little bit extra to my ends, since oldest part of your hair and easiest part that loses protein. Hello again. I'm gonna start the other side right now. Do y'all ever do something quick because like you don't have enough of something? Like, all right, like say, dang, I don't know a good example. This is awkward. All right, so say you only have a little bit of salad dressing and you're trying to pour it on a salad, like it's a loose salad dressing, like Chipotle salad dressing. Oh, I love Chipotle. But say you're trying to pour Chipotle salad dressing and you only have like this much, but still a whole bowl. Do y'all like pour stuff quick so that it goes all over the bowl, or do you like slowly try to? I don't know. I try to do stuff quick because I don't know why, but I just always think that that's gonna, I don't know, like magically produce more. I really don't know. Making sure I use every last bit of this. Alright, I'm gonna use a blow dryer, maybe on warm, to blow dry it a little bit, and then I'll come back before I get back in the shower to do the second part of the treatment. That was so dumb. Okay, my hair is dry. It's very stiff right now. Moving like a cast. So, I'm gonna get back in the shower and I'm going to use the, oh, did I ever show y'all this? Wow, that's so wild. This was protein treatment. But like I said, it's in the other video, more in depth. And I'm gonna get back in the shower. I'm gonna get back in the shower and use this after I rinse this out completely. Rinse that out, come back out, blow dry again, trim kind of quickly, and then style my hair for work. I'll meet you back in the shower.
Alright, so back again. I'm just letting the water go through my hair because when your hair is this stiff with the Aphogee, you're not supposed to manipulate it or touch it. So I'm just letting the water fall through. Once it gets to a point that the top layer got movable, workable, I just started moving it to make sure all the layers were wet as well. And then once everything was rinsed out, I started applying the conditioner. I went through with the brush to make sure that it was through all the layers. This is just to show you how my hair was looking. It looked real good, and it started to shrink up too, just to let you know. So after all of that, I put a bun in, a loose bun. I pulled it to make it looser, and then I put some air conditioner around the perimeter just to make sure I got everything. And then I just followed through with a regular shower. So yeah.
Alright, so I'm out. I didn't add anything to my hair. Once again, I just put this on, and that was it. Wow, it's actually pretty dry. This is how it looks. I'll show it back. I'm gonna quickly try to blow dry my hair. I don't need it like straight because I'm just about to put it into a bun for work. But I just want it straight enough so I get kind of an even trim. While it is in the buns and while I blow dry it, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of leave-in so that my hair isn't just bone dry without product. I do not have my paddle brush or a wider brush, so I'll be using this and making do with it. I'll also be using the what is it called? Concentrator nozzle, something with concentration. I'm just gonna do that to all the other sections, then come back and trim a little bit. Alright, so I'm finished. I'm going to fix this middle part and start trimming. It's not the straightest, obviously. I was kind of rushing the blow drying, so I would not have to rush the trimming. It is 1:48. I have to leave by 3 o'clock. So yeah. I'm gonna just try to separate the sides from the length first, and then yeah. I'm going to start by going to start by parting off in front of my ears. Well, yeah, behind my ears actually. Alright, honestly, I'm just trimming. I have a better video on how I trim my hair that I will leave up here as well. But right now, I'm just feeling for what I think needs to be trimmed. Or like if I hold it up against my, oh, this isn't the best example. But basically what I'm doing, separating it equally on both sides of my hair. And I'm cutting in the shape that I already have. So this is on a slant. So I'm gonna cut on the slant. And if there's hair that I can see through, I'm gonna try to cut those ends off so you can see like a difference here versus like up here. So those type of ends I want off as much as I can tolerate for right now. But yeah, I just want to trim a little something off. I am finished trimming it, and it feels better. It feels so much better, honestly. But now, dang. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for work. So I was editing that video and I realized that I did not record an outro. So this is not the style that I did for work. I actually did like a low slick back bun. It was like a real fancy bun. It was like a last minute decision. Thank you for watching my little reset of my hair. It feels and looks so much better, honestly. Even the ends look a lot better. I'm about to trim these a little bit more, just the front pieces, because they've always been longer. But you know, yeah, everything else looks a lot better. And it feels a lot better too. See you later.